Yeah, you can do it.
Well, that looks gorgeous. Dude.
Don't move, man. We gotta keep it though. You need to give me the keys and the title.
Yeah, I can't for now. This thing is gonna be a completely different color. This is insane. So all I gotta do is basically strip the entire thing and I leave, and when I come back, it'll be a different color. What is up, guys? Good morning and welcome back to a new episode from Backyard Boys. If you guys are new to this channel, please lightly tap the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your post notifications. In the previous episode on this channel about the Audi S4, I showed you guys that I cracked my SD card and it kind of threw off this whole entire video. It actually ruined 3 videos, which is very unfortunate, but life happens, things happen. We just gotta learn to overcome, adapt, and keep moving forward. So in this episode, I'm gonna go ahead and rerun the whole entire episode, just have a little bit of snippets from the previous episode because I filmed from 2 cameras. I filmed from GoPro and I also filmed from my actual Canon M50. So I still have the footage from the Canon M50, but the GoPro had more of the better footage of like disassembling and wrapping and things like that. So I'll toss in some of those footages as well. But I wanna start this video off by saying humongous shout out to United Tint and Customs over here. Since the car is already wrapped and is inside the garage, I have to go ahead and assemble the car right now, it is not assembled. And we're also gonna tint the car at the same time, which is pretty darn epic. Anyways, I just wanna show off his little Porsche over here. This thing looks wicked, man. This color is just so gorgeous. Look at that thing. He got that black chrome sticker. Dude, everything around is just so sick, so sick. The boat, I think there's parts in the boat that's wrapped as well. We got this thing that's wrapped as well. And honestly, I am just clearly mesmerized by his work. But let's go ahead and step inside the shop and I'll show you guys the attention to detail that just completely blew me away. You know, when you look at this car, you're not gonna think that it's wrapped. I can almost guarantee you that you're gonna be like, whoa, that's literally paint, because all the seams are tucked away. Everything is just so beautiful. Let's go ahead and check it out. Well, we are now inside the shop, and here's the man, the myth, and the legend.
What's up, Tim? How's it going, YouTube? I'm Vince. I own United Tint and Customs. We just wrapped this up for you, man. What do you think, bro?
Dude, I am completely blown away and just shocked.
Hell yeah, dude. We're actually able to knock this out in 2 days for you, man. Thanks to my team over here. We were beasting for you, dude. It's pretty crazy, man. Came out perfect, though, man. If you look at all the details and stuff, the bumper, all the edges and all that, you know, you got a couple seams that you can't even see are there. You know what I mean? This is what all comes with experience, right? We've been open since 2014, been in the industry for over 10 years, so
right.
This is what you get right here, man. It came out perfect, all nice and smooth. It was really cool working on this for you, by the way, man. And 1M, dude, you never done this before. It's
it's something unique, man.
Yeah, you got more details over here, you know, all stuff that you don't see, you know what I mean? It doesn't matter, but it's just what makes it last longer. It looks good when you take the tail light out and stuff.
Usually people say it doesn't matter, but it does matter.
Exactly. It does matter, man. Especially you giving up, you subconsciously
know that the work, you subconsciously know that the work under here is just immaculate. It's immaculate. You're not gonna, you're not embarrassed to take a tail light off,
For real, dude. You know, you open your gas cap and stuff, just the clean edges and stuff.
Oh my, dude.
Details, dude. You can open a door and stuff. The cool thing is this car was black before, right?
Right.
So it works with this, you know what I mean? You don't have to do jams and everything.
Yeah, so it's super subtle, super subtle. Look at that. I'm telling you, the contrast between the dark satin gray and the black is just, I don't know. I feel like it's like meant to be, you know?
So what's the deal, Tim? Are we keeping this carbon fiber hood or what, man?
this is the question, huh? This is the question, man.
Different ideas. My man Yas over here was talking about what? Just leaving the scoop, wrapping around it. What were you thinking? You wanted to do this?
Dude, you're breaking my head, man.
Why don't we just leave it here? Let's put it back together.
Okay, yeah, so this is what's gonna happen right now. Right now, you guys are gonna comment down below and let me know on the hood what honestly you think about the hood. Leave it in exposed, or are we wrapping it? Because wheels are going black. I told you guys that earlier. Powder coat black, gloss back, just like the roof over here. So that's gonna match perfectly alongside with the trimming all around. The carbon was unexpectedly good combo with this satin dark gray, because originally we were planning to wrap it, but it just is gorgeous. Like, look at it, it's gorgeous. I gotta show you guys out in the sun, and in person it looks better. But comment down below, and Vince will he said if the votes are high enough to wrap it, we're wrapping it. But right now, what is gonna happen right now is I'm gonna start assembling the car. Vince and his team is gonna go ahead and tint the car, make this car look even more beautiful, even more sharper than it looks already. And dude, like, I just wanna show like the width of the quarter panels. Dude, I had someone comment that they can fit a basketball in here or something. I was like, bro, like, look at that width. This thing looks nuts with the satin. All right, guys, let's start assembling this beast and getting this thing out of the shop. I also got the headlights on this car re-cleared, so they're brand new looking, and I do have a headlight mod coming for the car. Our goal eventually, or not eventually, our goal with this car is to break the internet. So all the stuff that's coming for the car, all the carbon fiber stuff that I have already at home is gonna be put on in the next episode alongside with a custom steering wheel that I got. So stay tuned for that. All right guys, well, we just pulled up to the shop, as you guys can tell. And I actually got my real camera out just so I can show you guys the actual real colors of the car, because the GoPro doesn't show as well. So I have not seen the car yet. Let's go see what it looks like. I am way too pumped. This is gonna be freaking insane.
Everyone when they're set.
Hey! Yeah, I'm gonna close my eyes, bro. I can't see the car yet. Oh, what's up?
Super excited, dude.
Yeah, dude, let me just look at it through the
Camera.
Oh!
Wait.
What in the world? Dude, this thing is nuts. Look at that quality of work. Dude, that looks like it's painted. Yo, Vince, did you not paint this overnight?
What was that?
Did you not paint this overnight?
Yeah, exactly.
Right now we're gonna start assembling and making this thing complete. That way I can drive it home. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, we have gotten the whole entire 1M assembled, and I'm just in awe. This thing is gorgeous. Came together super nice. Got the headlights re-cleared. I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but they're brand new, and we are gonna have a headlight build. But look at those black mirrors. We do have carbon fiber mirrors coming for this thing, and alongside with a lot more carbon fiber. Once again, let me know on the hood what you guys think, how it looks, and I'm gonna do a quick walk around, show you guys, and then tomorrow we'll go in detail. Look at this badass sticker, dude. The color of the sticker is the same color as the wrap, so that's pretty sick. Diffuser back here is not on just yet because I do have a carbon fiber one, and trunk clip over here is not on as well because carbon fiber everything. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow in the good daylight because it's pitch black outside now, and we'll do a full walk around. What is up, guys? Next morning here, and we have gotten the 1M outside on the ground. It rained a little bit last night, but it's fine. I have not seen the car yet in some sunny weather, unfortunately, but I can't wait to show you guys and see for myself what it looks like with all that, you know, sparkles and all that good stuff. But I am completely blown away, and I can't wait to show off this thing at car meets or anything. But dude, look at that thing. Just look at that. Oh my goodness, this thing is so fat. Look at those body lines. Look at everything. It's just the contour of everything, including the window tint that United Tint Customs did. Dude, those guys are amazing. Like this stuff right here, it starts, you know, you can see it so much clearer now because it all used to be black and shadow. Like everything is just so much more visible now. And then I went ahead and put on the rear diffuser because I reached out to the person that sent me my carbon fiber one, and they said it's not gonna be here till next week. So we're gonna go ahead and rock this stock diffuser. That way this rear end doesn't look naked whatsoever. And then comment down below what kind of custom plate I should get for this car, as well as the hood. I'm telling you guys, I'm sure I brought this up already a few times, but let me know if I should wrap this, or let me know if this should be revealed like that right there. But humongous shout out to United Tint Custom. If you guys want your car tinted, wrapped, any custom work, LEDs, things like that, head down to United Tint Customs in Everett, Washington, and dude, the quality of their work is just, I'm blown away. I'm speechless. If you guys can, you know, you guys will probably see this car at car meets and whatnot, and just come take a close look at it, close look at all the detail and everything. You will never tell it's been wrecked. It looks like paint. It just looks like professional paint. I don't know, it looks like that Ferrari matte color. Anyways, another thing is, this merch right here has just came in, pretty sick. Still working on making this thing right here a little higher quality, but most likely this Sunday this one will be out. So be sure to click that merch link down in the bio if you guys want to support this channel. With that being said, thank you guys so much for all the love, all the support, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.